What's up guys? In today's week's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your hotspot name and password on your new iPhone. This way you can keep your connection secure and personal, so let's begin. First, unlock your iPhone and head over to settings. This is where we'll make all the necessary changes. Now tap on personal hotspot. Once you're in the personal hotspot settings, look for Wi-Fi password and tap on it. Enter a new password here. Make sure it's something secure but easy for you to remember. Hit done when you're finished. Now let's change the hotspot name. Head back to the main settings menu and tap on General. Next, tap on About. Here you'll see the name option. Tap on it and enter the new name you want for your hotspot. Just hit done when you're finished. And there you go, you've successfully changed your password and hotspot name on your new iPhone. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.